Hey gang, coming to you from Miami, Florida. Miami. Moon over Miami. I don't know what that means. Anyway, as you all know, I'm in love with boats. I would love to buy a boat one day soon, so best thing is to be informed. So I am at the Miami Boat Show. We're gonna look at boats, and I'm really happy about that. So come along with me to the show and enjoy this incredible weather. Miami. Come on, let's go. Well, this is the main entrance. Smaller boats are in there. I promised my wife I would bring the checkbook, but I bought credit cards. Well, that's awesome. Jeep made out of sand. Tedious work. I need a hat or this is going to get ugly real quick. Oh my goodness, boat heaven. Look comfy. I love how they, right in the middle of everything, they just created a bar. Alright folks, this is candidate number 1. This is an Aquila Power Catamaran. This is the boat we've been chartering in the BVI. And the master, full beam master. There's a washing machine. I'm not quite 6 feet, but I can stand up on the land here, which is nice. Pretty cool. And I love that you can walk from the bridge straight down here to your anchor. I really want to write the check, but I'll wait. So you want to go fishing in style? I think that'll get you out of trouble. I just can't tell you how much in like heaven I am right now. Look at this baby. Another candidate, Fontaine Pajot, French. You know, you look at things online and when you actually come here, it's quite different. This boat seemed just really huge when I looked at it on the computer and I got inside and it felt cramped. That's why you come. Uh-oh, now we're gonna get in trouble. This is a Lagoon 67, yes, 67 feet. $3 million bucks. Greatest power cat you're gonna find out there, but it's humongous. Compare me to it, it's huge. It's hot, I'm hungry, and there's an indoor section with air conditioning, so we're gonna go there now. Now if you wanna go skiing, waterboarding? I don't wanna waterboard anybody. Waterboarding? I see Zodiacs and dinghies. Love me a good dinghy. Something I thought I'd never say. I love me a good dinghy. I want this one. 8 people plus a steering wheel, not a little dinghy, and you got a nice Yamaha 70. That'll get us back and forth to the bar. You need a trailer? We got trailers. You want propellers? We got propellers. Need to replace that toilet? We got toilets. Personal watercraft. This is just nothing but a bucket of fun, this area. Well look, you can fish off of this one. This entire section is dedicated to fishing. These poor fish, they don't have a chance. Boat school. I hope I would have made an A. Didn't make an A in any other kind of school. Alright, so there's still more of the boat show I need to see. However, I'll come back later because now I'm going to go to the yacht show. There's the boat show, you know, boats. And then there's the yacht show. Yachts. Let's go. Yeah, I like that. Well, in typical Miami fashion, the weather has turned. It's raining and windy, but still always a good time to go see some yachts. Look at this bad boy. All right, now we're spending some money. Write the check. That one's 2.75, that one's 3.2. So I had an appointment with Outer Reefs, just looked at it, and I'm in love. With my wife, of course, but there might be a little room for a vessel. That is absolutely gorgeous. Rain will not deter me. I'm looking for the perfect boat. Oh no. Horizon Power Cats. Rolls Royce of Power Cats. My wife won't believe this. This galley is just crazy great. Back at it again. Coming back over to the boat show. Trying not to write a check. Really trying hard. Really. I think these boats have enough power. And then there's this. Yeah, this says $13.50. What the hell do you do in this boat? Just go really fast in it, I guess. That does it. I'm done. I narrowed down kind of what I thought I liked and didn't like, and some new things I saw. Helped me make an educated decision when we come to buy. So it's a great trip. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Then you'll know every time I post another video. So thanks again. Bye.